Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the oven spark module board in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit to unthread the screws securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out. Now unthread the screws to release the upper rear access panel. Pull the panel down to remove. Note the orientation of the 3 wire connectors connected to the spark module board, then disconnect them. Unthread the mounting screw, then lift the old board up to detach. Install the new oven spark module board by aligning the mounting posts in the slots, then thread the mounting screw. Connect the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals. Reinstall the upper rear access panel. Reinstall the lower rear access panel. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.